Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 9, Lesson 7. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to find the solution to an inequality statement. All right, so let's look at this. A solution to an inequality is a value that makes the inequality true. We're going to determine whether the given value is the solution to the inequality. So here they have x is greater than 16, and they say if 20, x is equal to 20, at 20 is greater than 16. Is that true or false? Well, we all know that that is 100% true. Okay. How about this one? P is less than or equal to 5. If we say P is equal to 8, is less than or equal to 5. Well, it's not less and it's not equal, so this is false. Okay. All right, let's practice some more. K is less than negative 13. Now be careful. Remember, with negative numbers, you got to think about it in money. Which one gives you more in your pocket? Well, here K is negative 4. So negative 4 is worth less than negative 13. Well, if I owe $4 or I owe 13, that's not true, is it? That's false. Because negative 13 is less. It's a lot less. It means I owe a lot more. I have a lot more taken out of my pocket. All right, C is greater than or equal to negative 10. If C is negative 7, is negative 7 greater than or equal to negative 10? Well, it's not equal to, but it is greater because I don't have to give as much. So this is true. All right, 20 is less than or equal to A. So if 20 is less than or equal to, A is equal to 27. Is 20 less? Yep. So this is true. Here we go. Negative 1 is greater than M. Negative 1 greater. They say M is equal to 2. Well, we know a negative number is never greater than a positive number, so this is false. Great job. All right. Now, you're going to do these next 4 on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, work the 4 out, and then come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, for number 17, it says n is less than or equal to 3.1. So n is equal to 3.089, less than or equal to 3.1. Well, they have the same number in the ones, but this has a 0 and this has a 1. So 0 is less than 1. So this is true. Okay, f is greater than 13.4. If f is 13.008, this is greater than 13.04. Let's compare them. We both have 13 in front of the decimal. We have a 0 there and a 0 there. They're the same. 0 here and 4 here. Uh-oh. 4 is greater than 0. So this is false. Okay, 19. Y is greater than 5.25. They say y is 7.8 greater than 5.25. 7 is definitely greater than 5, so this is true. All right, 60.3 is greater than or equal to V. V, so let's do this, 60.3 greater than equal. V is 60.295. We know they're not equal because they're not the same. They both have 60 in front of the decimal. Here I have a 3 in the tenths place and a 2. Well, 3 is greater than, so this is true also. Great job. You're done with Unit 9, Lesson 7. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I'll see you back here for Lesson 8.